Keeping the date and time correct on your fire alarm is important so that the history log will reflect the events correctly. This is an FC7200 that's been power cycled, so let's reset the clock. Start by pressing the menu. Password is 2s. If this was a newer version firmware, it would have been 4 2s or maybe 6. Go to System, Time, enter the time in 24-hour format. Move over to the minutes. Move over to the month, day, and the year. Now don't just press back, you got to remember to press enter. Then you can press back and your system should display the correct time.